About driving it today is bringing back memories of.
I'm just driving it. I don't drive it much just because it blows my wife's hair.
Yeah.
And mine too, but I don't mind. So we decided, well, we don't drive this, and I've had it 9 years.
But you have some memories of it.
I have a lot of great memories, and this brought back some memories driving it home here to put it up on the lift.
Still full fenders. Sorry, the fenders are on the car, so
Yes.
It's not a high boy.
Right.
What did you feel? What were you feeling when you decided you wanted to buy a car like this? Do you remember?
Yeah, I just wanted a hot rod. I'd already had a couple other cars that were just coupes and just regular hot rods. I wanted a full fendered Roadster. And so I found this one, and it was an old Boyd car. It was old when I got it. It was already had been done. So
school bus yellow, you said.
School bus yellow. And unfortunately, when you drive up beside a school bus and you saw your colors matched, I thought, maybe we need to repaint this car.
So what was the inspiration for this? You said your wife? She's the color and the planes?
Color, yeah. So I wanted to do it yellow and do a good yellow. And she said, we're going to redo this car. Let's go completely opposite. Let's do it black. So when I do a car, unfortunately for my pocketbook, I just do it all the way. So we took it down, media blasted all the
Treat it like a child, like your own family.
Start all over again. Took it all the way down. And then as I'm going along, I get in my mind what I want to do. And so I thought, we're going to do this. This is a Henry Ford steel car. Let's do it right. Let's put a Ford motor in it. So
Roush Racing.
Roush Racing motor with a Termec 5-speed. So
go through those gears.
yeah, it's a fun car to drive, really fun.